Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Celie hair lace closure wig. The hair is actually 24 inches long and it's body wave. The hair came in this gorgeous purple packaging, and the packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with a shower cap or a sleeping cap. It comes with baby hair comb, and it also comes with hair comb. It comes with airband, and it also comes with hair clip and an eyelashes as well. It also comes with a wig cap and also an elastic band to secure your hair or lay your edges, and also with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair. How amazing is that? You've got loads of amazing goodies in the packaging straight out of the box. This is what the hair looks like. It's a 5x5 lace closure wig, and it has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. The hair also has an elastic band and also an adjustable elastic strap as well. As you guys can tell, the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, and you don't need any glue or gel to secure your hair. All you have to do is to use the elastic band as I showed you just now, and the hair is well secured. But as always, I like to lay my edges, although I don't go for baby hairs, but sometimes I just like to lay my front, so that's why I actually use the spray, and I use the band that was included in the packaging to secure the hair at the front, and voila, look at that, melted, like seriously melted. I love the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight out of the box, so you don't have to do any customization to this hair at all. All you have to do is cut your lace and use the elastic band to secure your hair, and you will be good to go. But you can also go extra mile as I did and apply a any spray of your choice at the front just to melt the lace down at the front. And I also use my Fenty Beauty powder to accentuate on the part I was going for. Bear in mind that it's a 5x5 lace closure, meaning you can actually pat the hair anywhere you like within the 5x5 closure. So I decided to use the flat iron, hot, hot comb see further melts down the hair at the front and gave me that flat look at the front, more natural. So yeah, that's all I did so far. Straight out of the box, you don't have to straighten this hair. The wave pattern from the box is really amazing, so you don't have to go to you know coiling the hair in the first place. It's the type of hair that you can just bring out of the box and where you apply the hair with your elastic band, and you will be good to go. So I showed you guys how I would normally coil my hair, which is the same thing, if I'm going for a beach wave kind of look or a body wave type of look. And all I would do is just, curl the hair away from my face on the left side, on the right side, and look at that. The hair tip to curls really well. I love the fact that the hair is really soft and very voluminous, guys. Look at that. The luster of the hair is amazing as well. So it's straightforward. Use the curling iron to curl the hair away from your face. As you guys already know, this hair is actually 100% human hair, meaning you can dye it, you can tongue it, you can bleach it, you can do anything you want or like to do with the hair, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. So if you're tired of wearing the hair black, you can also bleach the hair or dye it, because it's 100% human hair. In terms of the quality of the hair, I am a huge fan. You guys already know I've been working with Celie for a while now. They always deliver when it comes to the quality of their hair, and this one is amazing as well. And I love how soft and silky the hair is. Look at that. The hair took to curls really well, and it's definitely true to length in my opinion. So If you're the type that like wand, you can also use a wand to curl this hair. And if you're tired of wearing the hair, you know, body wave or any type of wave, you can actually brush it out and use your flat iron to straighten the hair, and there you have it. You would also be wearing the hair straight. So the hair is so versatile because it's 100% human hair. So yeah, basically I am done with curling the hair. As you guys can tell, the lace melted, guys. It melted into my skin. Show me the laces. Where's the lace? This is actually my natural hair. You can't deny it. You can't tell me otherwise. Look at that. The curls are popping, like popping. Look at that. The hair is definitely true to length, and in my opinion, I actually think Celie hair are always, like, you know, generous with the length of their hair, because to be honest, the hair looks much more than 24 inches. In my opinion, I would say it's 26 inches, but it's 24 inches written on the box. But they're very generous with the length of their hair. Look at that. The volume of the hair, the length of the hair, the texture of the hair, and how silky the hair is and how voluminous the hair is just amazing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Celie hair lace closure wig right here. I am loving this hair, guys. Look at how soft the hair is. Very silky to touch and very full. Look at that. I love the body of this hair. It's super duper wavy and it's very voluminous. Look at that. I love it. So I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. First thing I noticed straight out of the box was the wave pattern of this hair. The wave pattern of this hair is just amazing. Like, seriously, I was like, wow. You guys already know Celie hair. They always deliver when it comes to quality hair, and I have been working with them for a while now, and all their hair are always top notch. And another thing I love about this brand is the fact that they always give you guys amazing gift or goodies in the packaging. You guys already see that you've got loads of amazing goodies in the packaging, which is a bonus. So you can use most of this product to install your hair, style your hair, and all of those stuff. So if you guys don't know Celie hair are a hair brand that sells all of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have all types of hair lengths and style on their website. And bear in mind that they also have colored hair, short hair, and long hair as well. So if you visit their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. So in regards to the hair straight out of the box, guys, everything has been done for you. In fact, you don't need any glue or gel or spray to install this hair. As I showed you guys earlier in the beginning of this video, all you need to do is use the elastic band to secure your hair and you will be good to go. The hair is going nowhere, like, it's seriously secured. But guys, look at that. Like, where is the lace? Show me the lace. Where is it? I can't find it. Another thing I love about the hair is the lace of this wig. The lace of this wig is super duper soft and very easy to work with. I love the way it melted into my skin just by using spray. Look at that, guys. You can barely tell if this is actually my hair or a wig. I love about this is the fact that it also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it straight out of the box. So if you're the type that like baby hair, then you are definitely in for a treat. And I also like the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight out of the box, so you don't have to worry about customizing your hair. Another thing I love about the brand is the fact that they always have, you know, sales on their website. If you visit their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones at an affordable prices. And bear in mind, the quality of this hair is just amazing. Look at that. The quality of the hair is amazing. Very full, very soft, and very silky to touch. I know about the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. I am loving this hair, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check out their website. Another thing I love about this brand is the fact that their shipping is always very quick. I think it took exactly 4 days to get in the UK, which for me is really amazing. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. In terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of installing the hair, how easy it is to install the hair, and the fact that you can actually use the elastic band installed in the hair to, you know, secure your hair and it's going nowhere, is definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of their packaging and all the goodies included in their packaging, is definitely AA plus for me. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Celie hair for all your quality hair at affordable prices. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the brand in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!